Good morning, girls. How are you? Today start with a new chapter and a new lesson. What is the chapter name? Measurement, and the lesson is measure metric length. Then you can see what is the unit: meter, centimeter, decameter, kilometer. Many units are there. Now you can see 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 meter is 1000 millimeter. Now in this one you can see a centimeter ruler. You have 15 centimeter ruler you have. Then how to measure? You can put a 0 on this line. For example, you measure this line AB. Then how to measure? Put a 0 on A, and then you can see what is the value is 4.2 centimeter, and in millimeter is 42 millimeter long. And in other way you can say it is about 4 centimeter, because you can see this is your 4 centimeter is near to the 4. That's why it is called about a 4 centimeter long. Now your question number 1, measure the line segment to the nearest centimeter and the nearest millimeter. Then how to measure it? With using a ruler. This is your ruler. Put one end, the 0 coincide with this one, first end, and you can see what is the length. Here is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and here is 7 small division. Then what is the value? It is 2.7. Then you can see in this one, the second one also, it is this one, 0 is coincide with the first point, and end point is your you can see 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and 3.4 centimeter. Then you can see what is the answers. Here is 2.7 centimeter, and how many millimeter? You can see 27 millimeter, because 10, and how many small division here? Altogether is 27. That's why it is called 27 millimeter. In the same way here also you can see it is 10 small division, again 10, again 10, and then you can see a 4 small division after 3. Then it is 34 millimeter. Then in your question they are asking nearest centimeter. Then what is the nearest centimeter? 2.7 about to 3 centimeter, and 3.4 also about to 3 centimeter, because it is after the decimal 4 is there. That means it is 3. If it is more, then it become, for example, 3.48 is there, then you can write about 4 centimeter. You can see in this one here is 2.7 centimeters. 7 is there. Then more than 5. That means it is about to 3 centimeter. It's clear, I think. Now start with these question. Rename. Question number 9 onwards. You rename that means, for example, 6 centimeter is equal to how many millimeter? Then you learn from this table, this one, this is your standard one. Meter is your standard one. Then you can see kilometer, decameter, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Then you are using power of 10. Every step you are using a power of 10. If you are going in, it is better you can see this one, a metric conversion ladder. It is not in your book, but it is very easy and you can easily convert from centimeter to meter and millimeter to centimeter. A conversion is very easy if you are using this table. In this table you can see you can move the decimal if you are moving right, if you are moving down, then you shift your decimal to the right. If you are moving in this ladder, if you are moving going up, the decimal to the left, you can see in this question, okay, in the first one. For example, here you can see, okay, first 7 kilometer convert into the meter. Where is the kilometer? Here. Where is the meter? That means you are moving down. You are moving down, that means right. How many step? 1, 2 and 3 step. Then you can see this is your 7. Then move down, that mean right. 7, after that 1, 2 and 3. What is the answer? You can see 1, 2 and 3. 7,000 meter. For example, in this one, 240 centimeter convert into the meter. Then you can see where is the centimeter? Here. And where is the meter? Here. Then you can see in this ladder, move up. You move up, that means how many steps you move up? 1 and then 2. That means move to the left. You can see this is 0, 0 and 4. Where is the decimal? 2 after the 2. You can see here. This one 2.4. Now I think it is clear. You can check in these question also 6 centimeter and you want to convert into the millimeter. Then you can see here in this one, where is the centimeter? Here. And where is the millimeter? Here. Then just one step down. If you one step down, move to the right. You can see 6 and 1 more 0. What is the answer? 60. This way is your book method, multiplied by 10. This is your book method. And here also this one 7 meter. Then 7 meter convert into the centimeter. Where is the meter? Meter here. And centimeter here. Then how many step down? 1 and 2. Then in this way it is very easy. 7 and 2 zeros. You are going down. Then move the decimal shift to the 2 zeros. This is 700. And in this one you can see a 453 decimeter. Decimeter, dm. Dm always remember is decimeter and decameter is dem. DAM. This is the difference. Otherwise, I think in other is no, because hecta is there, H is there. It's both are start with the D. That's why decameter is D. Dem and decimeter is dem. DM. Okay. Then you can see. Then you can in this one you can move up. You can see how many. Where is it? Here. Then you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then you move 4. You are using 4. Then how to move? Left 1, 2, 3 and 1 more 0. You can see here 3, 4, 5, 4 and 0 and put a decimal. In this method, this letter method, you convert directly without any division. That's why it is a very easy method. Only just remember this. You can go down, the decimal shift to the right. You can go up, decimal shift to the left. Only this one. I think it is easy. Then in question number 15, 16 and 17 is compare. Then compare, use a less than, equal to and greater than. Then you can see in this one 0.45 meter convert in and 45 centimeter. Then you can see both have different unit. For the comparison, always remember same unit. Always remember same unit. In this one also centimeter and millimeter, different unit. Then first convert to the same unit. Then you can see 0.45 meter to centimeter. You can see meter to centimeter. How many step down? 1 and 2. That means shift the down, that means shift the right. How to write? Right side you can move the decimal. 1 and 2. That means what is the value is? 45 centimeter. Then what is the answer? Both are equal. In this one also you can see 4.8 centimeter into the millimeter. Then you can see centimeter to millimeter. Means move down only centimeter to one step. Then shift the decimal point to the right. Then right means here to, you can see this. Then what is the answer? It is 48. That means 48 is greater than 0.48. That means 4.8 centimeter is equal to how many millimeters? 48. I think that's why it will be a greater. 48 is greater than 0.4. Now you can see in the question number 18 and 19. In this one piece of electric wire is 35 mm long. The second piece is 34.9 centimeter long. Which piece is longer? Then again you can see here is centimeter and millimeter. You cannot compare. First in the same unit, you can see 35 millimeter convert into the centimeter. Then where is the millimeter here? And go up. That means shift the decimal point to the left. Then you can see one step left. What is the answer is? 3.5. And the second rope is 34.9. Then which one is longer? The second piece is longer because 34.9, 34 is much greater than 3.5. And in the question number 2, last year's city X reported 1.65 meter of rain and the city Y reported 131.5 centimeter of rain. Which city had more rain? Then in this one again here is meter and centimeter. They convert into the this into the centimeter. Then you can compare. Then 1.56 meter convert into the centimeter. Then meter to centimeter, go down to step 1 and 2. Then it move to the right. Then this decimal 1 and 2. What is the answer? 165 centimeter, and city Y is the 131.5 centimeter. That means the city X has more rain. Thank you, my dear.